We are Lacey and Jordan, and this is our Mercedes Sprinter that we spent the last couple years building out and making into our little house on wheels. We travel around with our two pups, Bub and Lou, and our newest addition, Baby Rivers, coming 2022. Day one of our road trip through the North Island for my birthday. We spent the day suntanning and relaxing down by the lake.
Not expecting to wake up to snow. Don't know if you can see, but it's definitely snowing. Wood stove engage.
Can't believe I was tanning yesterday. I am so grateful for our wood stove. Jordan thought maybe if we wait a little bit, there'd be less snow. Now it's just dramatically snowing more. So we're gonna have to reassess our plans for where we're gonna go because it's only gonna get more snowy the higher up. So there is no signs of it letting up. If anything, it is just getting more and more. So Jordan is very excited. We're gonna have to leave this spot because we are on a pretty intense hill.
So we're gonna make coffee and tea and try to make it up the hill.
Yeah, we do have good tires, but it's not a four-wheel drive van, so we shall see. So yesterday I was literally right there, tanning, eating a pineapple. This is so crazy. I can't believe there's this much snow. Like, it's not just a little bit, it's a lot of snow. What do you guys think? What do you think, Bob? Are you so excited? Lou, are you so excited? Are you so excited? Yeah, that's the hill that we gotta get up. It's really steep right there, so yeah, we'll see. The tires are good, but we'll see. Alright, so we packed up. Bub's in his bed. Oh no, my bananas. Just forgot to undo my bananas. And we're gonna try and do the hill. It seems okay. Oh. Oh, we got it. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good.
I can't believe we fucking did that. Okay, so
I don't think you can see, but it is just a complete fucking whiteout. I thought it would be better up here.
why would it be better higher?
I don't know. I just thought the road for some reason. It's not better. So we're gonna stop at this little wood lot, grab some wood, because obviously we're gonna need it. That we would be dealing
Firewood and snow.
with this much snow. Okay, so we got a whole bunch of the firewood stacked underneath, and now we've got a bunch stacked in here on our max tracks so that they can dry out a little bit. The wood is really dry, but it got wet obviously from a little bit of snow. So they're just right at our front door, drying out. And now we're gonna go hit the road.
Point the police in the wrong direction. And this is also moving to Gold River. Bought some CBD for my bub.
Yeah, Zero's hips are a bit sore.
It was $80 though.
What?
So he gave me free doobies and dog treats. And the ladies in Fields, oh, they're so sweet. They are so sweet. Here we go, Lou. Moving to Gold River. Bye, Nimo. Open a tattoo shop in Gold River. Where's Bub?
Oh, he's right here.
Bub. Hey, Bubby. Bubby.
Do you hear that? Your dad wants to move.
Sounds good to me. Reminds me of Kitimat.
Yeah, I wouldn't be
I
sad.
grew up like this.
Would not be sad to live here.
No, I'd be totally entertained.
To find a tote, and Jordan ended up getting a hunting buddy and some snacks.
There's a black bear one. Oh, no, that's an actual jacket.
Trying to get totes for firewood, but Jordan's in the baby section. Alright, so we're pulling in to see if the Gold River campground is open.
Looks like it.
This is where we stayed for our wedding. One of the many stops on our wedding road trip.
Yeah, it's open.
Nice. It's a really nice little campsite.
It's a nice spot right here.
Yeah, I want something that has, like, down by the river, a nice little view if possible. So we're just gonna pick a site and then go from there. So we picked our spot. It's got a beautiful view of the river and lots of sunshine. So now we just gotta get the van situated. That whistling sound is Zero. From snow to relaxing by the river in the sunshine.
I accept this change.
The island is weird.
You don't like the weather? Drive for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Going for a river walk in Gold River Campground, where we had the wedding party, the main camp. And this is the trail to the river, one of the trails to the river.
Where you went fly fishing the day?
Where I went fly fishing the day I got married. A couple of hours before, if not an hour before, with my best man, Gordy. Gord, if you're watching this, shout out. Oh, it's actually kind of nice again.
Yeah.
Try not to be too shaky, but it's me, so it's gonna be shaky. And down to the river we go. How you doing, baby mama?
Good.
There goes Lou. Coming out onto the river bank here.
We're just gonna keep walking along the river. Check out some of the trails. And probably go home, make some lunch, and have a nice warm cup of tea. The weather is a little bit bipolar today. Sunny one minute, cloudy and windy the next. But, yeah, that's the North Island for you. Glad there's no snow right now though. Love the snow, just maybe not in April.
Ham.
is this going to... Ow!
I knew
Got it off the pipe.
I knew it.
Ow. Wait a minute. I brought tools. I brought my drill. Move your feet, please.
Did I think that at 9 o'clock we would be adding heat tape? No. But
It's hot, though, in here.
Why?
And I don't want to catch on fire.
You know what
I'm
happened?
clarifying this right now. She's going to try and make me look crazy.
You have a headlamp on in the van with the lights on.
Right.
You got stoned. That's what happened.
Whatever, Jada.
Wish us luck. Wish me luck. So yesterday we left a snowy campground to try and find a little bit better weather. And we came to Gold River and we found it. How far is Gold River from Strathcona? 45 minutes?
Yeah, 45 minutes.
So about 45 minutes away and we're back to sun tanning weather. It does get chilly at night, but we have our little wood stove, so that's good. Yeah, but we're much happier here. And yesterday we basically just spent the day hanging out here. We got camp all set up, made sure we got a really nice view and a sunny spot, as you can see. And then after the little dog walk that we did, we kind of just hung out. We tested out our drone for the first time, which was great, and Jordan crashed it for the first time as well. So glad to have got that out of the way. And now today we're gonna take it out again and see if we can get some good shots of the van. So we'll show you what we captured. Beautiful weather in the next minute.
I don't care.
It's an absolute hailstorm. So beautiful though.
Love the pup so much. He's gonna be a really good cuddler and keep you warm and soft and protected. Because Bub loves you just as much as we do. He just can't talk because he's dumb. Just kidding, he's a dog. But you will love him. And Lou, you have to be careful around Lou because she's bitey. But she won't bite you, I promise. I will make sure. She she would love you just like her own puppy. Over and out.
And about 5 minutes later, it is now sunny again. Stir fry for dinner. And some blue sky. We've had all types of weather today. Okay, so we just did all of our running around in Gold River, and it's official. We're gonna move here.
Fucking love Gold
We
River.
love it. Fields was great. We got a couple things there, and then we went to a little secondhand store, and we needed a little bit of like wire, and they were like, you can just have it. So we gave them some money for coffee. And then as we were leaving the little deli, we ran into the camp host who he's
pulled in directly only to see us.
Yeah, he's like the sweetest guy ever, and he was apologizing that he didn't see us last night because he was in a car accident. Anyway, so he's fine. We were able to say our goodbyes to him, and
He said, please come back.
he said, please come back. I said, well, we'll come back and we'll bring the baby. And he was so excited. He
Gave her a hug.
gave me a hug, gave Jordan a handshake, and he can't wait to meet the next edition. So now we're headed off to Muchalat Lake, and we'll be there for a couple days. Jordan's gonna do some hunting. I'm gonna do some relaxing and soak up the sun.
It'll be great.
Yeah.
See you there.
Bye.